Bayonne's exterior design reflects Hyundai's design identity, sensuous sportiness. This is defined by the harmony between proportion, architecture, styling, and technology. High-tech details and a clean look elevate Bayonne from the crowd. At the front, a wide grille opens at the bottom, creating a solid stance. The three-part main lights are topped by a horizontal air intake and the daytime running lights. On the side, the arrow-shaped C-pillar creates a wedge-shaped appearance for a dynamic and unexpected architecture. Bayonne is available with 15-inch steel wheels or 16 or 17-inch alloy wheels. At the rear, arrow-shaped taillights are connected by a thin horizontal line. Bayonne comes in 9 exterior colours, including a new launch colour, mangrove green. Most colours are also available with an optional two-tone roof in phantom black. On the inside, Bayonne features a clean, roomy, well-lit interior with LED ambient lighting. The connectivity equipment includes a 10.25-inch digital cluster and a 10.25-inch AVN screen. A calm colour and trim concept with small and subtle accents creates a serene atmosphere. Bayonne delivers the comfort and space of an SUV with the agility and efficiency of a B-segment vehicle. Its compact size makes it very easy to manoeuvre. Yet it also offers the safe and robust feeling customers expect from Hyundai's SUVs. Its high seat position enhances visibility and makes it easy to enter. Its dimensions strike a balance between compactness and convenience. It also offers excellent legroom in both the front and rear. And all passengers can benefit from heated seats. Bayonne stands out for its storage space, including 411 litres of trunk space with the rear seats up. The intelligent trunk cover can be slid along the rear of the back seat for even more convenience. Bayonne offers advanced connectivity rarely found in its segment. The wide 10.25-inch cluster can be configured to match the wishes of the driver and to match the selected drive mode. Customers can choose between a 10.25-inch AVN screen or an 8-inch display audio. The 8-inch display audio comes with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. 2 USB ports for the front passengers and 1 for the rear are available, as well as a wireless charging pad. Bayonne is equipped with the latest BlueLink technology, Hyundai's state-of-the-art connected car services. A premium Bose sound system completes the package. Bayonne shares its robust DNA with the other members of the Hyundai SUV family and has the safety features to match. A number of semi-autonomous Hyundai SmartSense driving features set Bayonne apart from its competitors. Lane following assist keeps the vehicle centered in its lane. Forward collision avoidance assist with junction turning can apply the brakes to prevent a collision when turning left at an intersection. FCA also includes car, pedestrian and cyclist detection. Navigation-based smart cruise control adjusts vehicle speed autonomously when driving on a highway or expressway. Other features ensure safety when driving at low speeds and when parking. Parking collision avoidance assist reverse activates when an obstacle is detected when the car is reversing slowly. It can provide a warning or apply the brakes as necessary. Rear cross-traffic collision avoidance assist works in a similar manner when backing out of a parking space and another car passes by. Parking Assist allows for semi-autonomous parking with a range of sensors and software working together to help drivers get into tight spaces. And Rear Occupant Alert notifies the driver before leaving the vehicle if sensors detect movement in the back seat. This makes Bayonne even safer for rear passengers, making it a great choice for families. Bayonne boasts excellent fuel efficiency and highly competitive CO2 emissions. This is thanks to an updated Kappa engine family. The powertrain lineup includes 3 and 4-cylinder engines with power outputs ranging from 84 to 120 PS. It also offers several transmissions, including manual and dual-clutch options. The TGDI is a turbocharged 3-cylinder engine with direct injection for optimum efficiency. It can be combined with Hyundai's signature 48-volt mild hybrid technology with intelligent manual transmission, or IMT, for even more fuel savings and efficiency. IMT disengages the engine from the transmission when the driver releases the accelerator. This allows the vehicle to start coasting, reducing emissions and saving fuel. Bayonne also features Hyundai's unique continuously variable valve duration technology, which regulates the duration of the valve opening and closing according to driving conditions. This is in order to optimize engine performance and save fuel. The all-new Hyundai Bayon. Stylish and sleek with a crossover SUV body type. Bayon is the latest and smallest member of Hyundai's SUV family. It features a compact exterior and a roomy interior. Intelligent safety and connectivity features make it stand out in its segment. Thanks to its electrified powertrains, it offers low fuel consumption, low emissions and affordable running costs. Bayonne is designed to meet the demands of the European market. Its name is inspired by a vacation hotspot, Bayonne, one of the most beautiful destinations in the southwest of France.